Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be over the topic of credit. Since it is the beginning of 2019, I truly feel like this is the best time. If you are hoping to rebuild your credit, this is the time to start, since it is early on in the year. So basically, as a child, I really didn't have any established credit, since my parents mainly put everything in their names. So I had very little credit, even in my 20s. So basically, well, I still am in my 20s, but starting off. So basically, I had to establish myself credits in order, what if I want to buy my house or give me another car and things like that? I need credit. So basically, I'm going to share with you guys this brilliant company that I have personally used in the past and that I will continue to use as far as building my credit goes. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so basically the company, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, is called SelfLender. So basically SelfLender is a savings and account, basically like a CD loan basically, and you make payments every month to that loan, and they report it to the 3 credit bureaus. So basically they do have a few different options for as how much of the amount that you want to pay each month. I personally in the past have done like the $25 monthly payment over like the course of 2 years. So basically like you have a certain date. So say if my payment was due every month on the 18th. So what I would do is I would either pay it directly on the 18th or either like the 16th or the 17th, and then they report that payment to the 3 top credit bureaus. Now I will say when you first start off with this, you definitely will see a decrease in your credit score, and that's completely normal. It's just for the simple fact that you did open up a new, it will basically show up on your credit score as a loan. So basically you did open up a loan, but once you continuously make those payments on time, your score would definitely boost up. I remember like my first go around with SelfLender, I did see an increase within like the first 2 months, and it was like 30 points just for me making those 2 payments on time. Overall, I did receive like a increase of like 120 points, somewhere up in there in general, which was very good for someone like me that didn't have really any established credit. So basically I am in like the 600s now. My goal is to be like in the 730s. So that's for I'm going to do that process all over again. So, and like I said, with the SelfLender, it's basically a savings account. So once you get done making those monthly payments at the end of your CD, once everything is complete, you will receive that money either direct deposit or either by check in the mail. So basically, if just so happens like if you do need to cancel, you can definitely cancel at any time, and they will definitely send you your money back. I did see like a lot of people in the past, but not like a lot, but like a few negative reviews saying like it took a long time for them to receive their money back. Me, I canceled I finished out my loan, and I received my money within like 10 days after me finishing it. So I really don't see anything negative with the company. I actually love the company. So since I am at that credit score now, I'm definitely going to redo it again this year just to build my credit score up to get into the 700. Now, as far as initial costs, the initial cost, whenever you do signing up is actually quick and easy. Whenever you do sign up, you will have to pay an initial startup payment. That ranges anywhere from about 10 to 12 bucks, depending on the plan that you do choose. Then the next following month, that's when you will start the monthly payments amount. So I did notice that while my credit score was improving, the TransUnion, which is pretty common, TransUnion, they pretty much update pretty slow, which was no biggie because my Equifax was jumping like really fast. That score, which was no biggie. My TransUnion did eventually catch up with that one. It wasn't like a tremendous gap between the two, but I will say that Equifax did report much faster and much more often. And the good thing about SelfLender, you definitely can create multiple accounts. Once you close out another one, you can definitely sign back up and start a different account over again. So that is a plus as well. So I definitely, like I said, will be doing this again this year. And I just feel like, guys, there's so many of people like me that their parents basically did everything for them. So like their credit is, they really don't have that much credit, which was me. So I feel like this opportunity is such a blessing, and as well as it is a blessing for people who have poor credit that want to improve it. So it's 2019, y'all. Let's just improve our credit. Self-lender is definitely the place to be. I mean, the route to go. I would definitely leave a link down below for you guys to, it will take you directly to the website and get you signed up and things like that. So I absolutely love it. I have not had any bad experiences with it. And yeah, guys, so if you guys are interested in more credit videos and how to raise your credit, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.